I'm in the process of developing a new feature, and I'm here to give you a sneak peek at what it does. I've been getting a lot of requests lately to add specific settings to different Divi modules and module subelements. For example, a very common request is to add sizing options to the button option group so that you can make your buttons full width without using custom CSS. That's a very legitimate request, and so I was going to do that, but it made me think, what if I took it a step further and allowed you to enable any of Divi's design options for any module subelement? And so that's what I did. And let me show you how it works. So we have a call to action module, and that module has a button. And here you can see the options that have traditionally come with the button option group. And you'll notice that the sizing option group is missing. Well, what this feature allows you to do is for any module subelement, you can toggle on and off any of Divi's design options. So I can enable sizing, I can enable animation, and you can see these popping up right away within the button option group. And that would allow me to, for example, make this button full width or add an animation. And this works for any module subelement. So this call to action module is comprised of a title text element, body text element, and the button. And so for all of these element-based option groups, you can toggle on all of Divi's sub-option groups. So I can enable, some random things like background, spacing, border, box shadow, and all these are spinning up automatically within the option group. And then I can go ahead and customize that sub-element. So that's how the feature works. It basically harmonizes all of the available options for all Divi modules and sub-elements, which I think is a great improvement. So let me know what you think in the comments. I'm hoping to have this done by next week.